have some news coming in. Hemant Soren's minister in Jharkhand has warned Hindu extremists. He says Hindu radicals dare not target Muslims. The BJP responding, slamming the Mantri Banna Gupta. Assam Chief Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma says stop talking like jihadis. We're seeing a lot of the divisive politics really playing out on every end. And here you have a JMM minister in the state, which is poll-bound, who warns Hindu extremists, quote-unquote, not to threaten or target Muslims. This is precisely what Banna Gupta has said, minister in Jharkhand, to which Hemanta has responded saying, stop speaking like jihadis. Let's hear it.
आप कह रहे हो लड़ाओगे, कटाओगे, बटाओगे, तुम कटाओ और बटाओ। हम कहते हैं यदि तुमने माँ का दूध पिया है और तुम लड़ोगे और कटाओगे, तो हम कहना चाहते हैं कि यदि हमारे बबलू भाई के घर में यदि कोई हिंदू कट्टरपंथी हमला करेगा, नौशाद भाई के घर में कोई हिंदू कट्टरपंथी हमला करेगा, तो वहां बन्ना गुप्ता उसका विरोध करने के लिए खड़ा रहेगा।
All right, that's a JMM leader, a minister in Hemant Soren's cabinet, who's warning the radical or extremist Hindus, saying, be warned, you cannot threaten or target Muslims. Don't do it. It's a warning that he gives out to the radical Hindus, saying don't dare to target Muslims. That's the message there by a cabinet minister in Jharkhand, while you also have the BJP responding, asking this the minister who's spoken these words to stop speaking like jihadis. Let me cut across to Satyajit, our reporter, joining us for more details on that. Satyajit, give us more on the context of, with which Banna Gupta has spoken and the BJP's response.
Yes, of course, Banna Gupta has issued a statement that has generated again heat before the first phase of polls. Jharkhand is all set for first phase of polls on November 13th, and this statement of Banna Gupta has come just before the elections. He says that if the radical Hindu, if the extremist Hindu makes an effort to attack any Bablu Bhai or Raju Bhai's location, he is going to defend them. He will come to the protection of such Raju Bhai and Bablu Bhai. And now Sanjay Seth, the Union Defence Minister for State, has said that again he has offended the Hindu. The Hindus does not act as extremists, and they don't go out to attack on someone's location. And again, he has offended a Hindu. He should be ashamed of his statement. This is what Sanjay Seth has said.
All right.
Nabila.
Thanks very much, Satyajit, for joining us.